Hello, good morning to you all. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today I'll show you how you can make it look like you're offline on Instagram. For example, when you're on Instagram means watching reels or reading your feed, just watching your feed and everything. And on the DM section, some of your friends may know that you're online because your online activity status will be shown in green dot, which will make them understand that you're online presently on the Instagram. How to make it look like that you're offline? This is very very simple. You need to click on your profile picture at the bottom. See here, this one, the bottom, and then you need to click on this three bars at top right, and here, yeah, you need to click on this settings and privacy, the first option, and just scroll to bottom. Yeah, scroll down, and here is the option. You need to click on this messages and story replies. See here, messages and story replies, and here show activity status. Click on this. By default this will be enabled for everyone. If you turn it off, then your friends or someone who wants to message you won't be able to see that you're active on the Instagram on their DMs. So even if you're using Instagram right now, so no one gets to know that you're online, so it shows you that you may be appearing as offline. So this is how you can make it offline when you're still on Instagram. See here, yeah, this is how simple you can do that. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.